Next, our discussion topic, normal forms. There are two type of normal forms, principal conjunctive normal form and principal disjunctive normal form. The elementary products, a product of variable under the negation in a formula is called elementary product. The product means conjunction. Let example, let p and q any two atomic variable, then negation p and q, negation q and p and negation p and q and negation p are elementary products. Next, elementary sum, a sum of variable under the negation in a formula is called elementary sum. Sum means disjunctions. Examples, let p and q any two atomic variables, then negation p or q, negation q or p or negation p, q or negation p or elementary sum. Factor, any part of elementary product or sum which itself an elementary product of sum is a factor of the product or sum. Examples, q or p is a factor of negation q or negation q or q or p. இந்த த்ரீ சம்ஸில் வந்து நம்ம ரெண்டு ப்ராடக்ட் மட்டும் எடுக்கலாம். இஸ் த ஃபேக்டர், ரெண்டு ஆப்ரேட் மட்டும் இருக்கும். q or p is a factor. Notes, p and negation p if and only if is a false, is identically false. P or negation p if and only if true is identically true. So next, disjunctive normal form. A formula which is equivalent to a given formula and which consists of a sum of elementary products is called disjunctive normal form. Working rule, an equivalent formula can obtain by replacing then and if and only if with and or negations, and applying negation to the formula or to a part of a formula and not to the variables. Next, third step, working using De Morgan law, applying negation to variables. At the fourth, repeated application of distributive law will given the required DNF other disjunctive normal form. Example, obtain a disjunctive normal form of negation p or q if and only if p and q. So obtain disjunctive normal form is a problem. So our concept, let's capital S equal to negation p or q if and only if p and q, if and only if equivalence condition, or if and only if s equivalence to r and s, or negation r and negation s. இந்த கான்செப்டில் இப்போ இது எழுதியிருக்கும். இது வந்து ஆர், இது வந்து எஸ். இந்த கண்டிஷன்ஸ் இப்போ negation p or q and p and q, or negation of negation p or q and negation of p and q. Next, by negation law அப்படிங்கும்போது negation of negation p or q and negation p and q, negation law. Third, De Morgan laws, negation, அதாவது negation உள்ள ஆப்ரேட் பண்ணும்போது negation p and negation q. இந்த conditions is De Morgan law. Negation p or negation q, De Morgan laws. At the next, negation p, negation q and negation and p and q, or p or q and negation p is a distributive லாஸ் அப்ளை பண்ணியிருக்கோம், டிஸ்ட்ரிபியூட்டிவ் லாஸ். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இது ரெண்டையும் அப்ளை பண்ணியிருக்கோம், அடுத்து இதை அப்ளை பண்ணியிருக்கோம், டிஸ்ட்ரிபியூட்டிவ் லா அப்ளை பண்ணியிருக்கோம். அடுத்து நெக்ஸ்ட்டு பை டிஸ்ட்ரிபியூட்டிவ் லா again as distributive law, again distributive law, this condition is distributive law, this condition is distributive laws. So அப்போ P and negation P or Q and negation P, அடுத்து P and negation Q or Q and negation P is a distributive law. Finally is negation P and negation Q and P and Q or P and negation P or Q and negation P or P and negation Q or Q and negation Q. So our concept is disjunctive normal form, form the elementary, அதாவது the sum of elementary product, sum of elementary products is a sum, is a sum of elementary products, அடுத்து conjunctive normal form. Conjunctive normal form, a formula which is equivalent to a given formula and which consists of a product of elementary sum. A product of elementary sum is called a conjunctive normal form. Conjunctive normal form, a problem, obtain a conjunctive normal form of negation P or Q, then P and Q. Same அதே கான்செப்ட் அப்ளை பண்ணியிருக்கோம். Finally results P or Q or P and Q or P or Q and negation P or negation Q or negation P and negation P or negation Q or negation P. So this is called a product of sum of elementary sum is called a conjunctive normal form. This is a required conjunctive normal form, and elementary sum is this is